Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a histogram on Google Sheets. Select your data and you're going to go to insert and you are going to select chart, and as you can see it just goes to like histogram, like the chart type right here. And to customize it, you are just going to, you're just going to double click it. And here you can even change some of the, the bucket size here. So under histogram, you can change the bucket size to, for instance, 10, 25, 50. Can even change it to 2 like this, and even 1, but I'm just going to select the 5. You can also change the outlier percentile. I don't really understand what this means, to be honest. Oh, they can change it like so. Oh, that's what it means. Okay. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!